Hey guys, Dalton RV. Here's a brand new 2026 Palomino Puma 31FKRK. This is a very large couples camper. It's got a front kitchen with a window over the sink, mid dinette and family room with theater seating and a second sofa which converts into a sleeper. Mid bathroom, rear king bedroom with a slide out. This one has a 190 watt solar panel package upgrade, electric power stabilizer jack upgrade. It also has washer and dryer prep and one of the closets in the bedroom. Come check it out.